Greetings, class. I'm Ida Jones, your instructor for this course. I'm making this set of screenshots to give you information on how to navigate this course. When you log into Canvas, you'll arrive at this home page. Generally, through the home page, you can go to the major areas where you can look for the work you have to do for this class. If this home page has an image to represent each of the weeks for this course, if you click on the image, then the link will take you to the modules. The modules are where the course is organized and where you can find almost all the information you need. So here's an example of the modules page. You can see that it's organized by weeks, and under each week there is a checklist of the activities that you have to complete for that week. It includes both the activities for that week plus a couple of weeks in advance so you can keep track. There's the syllabus quiz, which is one of the assignments that is due. Introduce yourself to your group and select your group role. And then if you look at the week of August 26th, you have the assignments repeated there so that it's easy for you to find the assignments that you need to complete. Another way to find the assignments that you need to complete is to go to the assignments section. As you can see, it's highlighted on the left side of the screen. Again, you have the assignments listed. These are the assignments that are part of the initial reviewing the course. I will have other assignments activated as we go along. The discussion area has a couple of important sections. Interrogatories are the frequently asked questions for the course, and that's where I hope you will include course-related questions. Often, if you're unsure about what something means for the class, there may be others that have the same question. So if you put all the questions here, then I can answer them, or another student might know the answer and can answer them. I check this section a couple of times a week. At the beginning of the semester, I check it more frequently. There are a couple of sections that I have skipped on the left side of the screen. Collaborations is for class collaborations, and we have a few of those, but not so many. I'll talk about those when we come to those. I've also skipped grades. I think it's self-explanatory. That's where you can find out what your grades are for the course. The next section I want to briefly highlight is the people section, which also includes groups. Here in this class, I have two sections that are combined, and you can see the different groups listed, water, law, and policy listed numerically. To find out which group you're in, I believe you can just click on the group that is highlighted for you. If not, then you'd have to look at each of these groups to find out where your name is. This is an example of the more detailed information about the group. The group is where you'll do a lot of the coursework related to the water, law, and policy assignment, the problem-based learning assignment that you have this semester. So you can see there's a home page that you as members of your group can post announcements on or make a home page that represents your group. People, that's a list of the people in the group and their email addresses. And then the last thing that I wanted to highlight for you, because you can take a look at this group when you get onto the Canvas, is collaboration. The first problem-based learning assignment is a collaboration where you will begin discussing the issues that I raise in the assignment. So that's a quick summary of the organization of the course. So think home page, that should be your first choice, modules, close second, and then assignments. And those have the key areas that you want to keep up with. Okay, see you in class.